In today's tutorial, I would like to share 3 amazing tips and tricks that will take your editing skill to the next level. Number 1. Changing color of a subject super fast. For example, let's change the color of the eyes of this lion. Then I'm going to create a new layer. Then I will change the blend mode from normal to color. I'll pick my brush. You can adjust the setting to suit you. Pick the color I want. Let me use red. I click OK. Then I brush. To make it look more real, I go to my adjustment layer, I go to hue and saturation, I reduce the saturation and I also reduce the brightness a bit. I use this clip max so that it will be on the layer, not on the whole subject. Here you have it. Number 2, selecting and blur edges. When the edges of an object does not look nice, if you look at the edges of this subject, it looks so sharp, right? So I will need to blur it and give it that motion effect. I press Q for a quick max. Now you can see this is the default state. I need the bed to be maxed, not the background. So I double click on this icon. Then I come here and I select selected area, click OK. If I click the max again, I have my object or subject selected. The next thing I do is to get my brush tool, then I remove the unwanted edges and use a brush tool. You paint with white, first paint with white, and remove the unwanted edges. And I use the smudge tool and I smudge the edges to create that motion effect. I deactivate the quick max by clicking here. Now the selection is ready for use. Place this on the new layer. This is what you have. You have the motion effect. Number 3, non-destructive maxing. Use your object, you select your object. Use your quick selection tool to have good selection. Make sure it's properly selected. Then you create your max. So to avoid non-destructive editing, if I pick my brush and paint over this with black, I'm trying to hide this. This could be destructive to this image. To have a non-destructive max, instead of working on the actual max, you need to create a group by pressing your Ctrl G. So the original would be saved on the max, then you make a max on the group by clicking the map. And on this max, you can now erase. Use the eraser or your brush tool. This way you can delete your max and the subject still remains the same. I hope you have learned these tips and tricks that will help you take your editing skill to the next level. Please like, subscribe, follow for more, and you can also share with your colleagues so they can also learn this to make their work faster. Thank you.